as far as this entire incident is concerned. Let's listen in to what he said.
ಇದು ಯಾರು ನಾವು ಒಪ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಘಟನೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವರದಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನನಗೆ ಎಡಿಸಿ ಅವರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಎಡಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಜನಿವಾರ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ನಾನೊಂದು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
So that was the first reaction of Karnataka Minister MC Sudhakar. Let's go back to Pinky, who continues to be with us right now. Pinky, we heard him say that this incident shouldn't have happened. He said it's condemnable. He has also sought a report from the executive director. But I want to ask you, this incident, as you told us, took place on 16th of April. Today is 18th of April. It's been 2 days already. I mean, why could the college staff not tell the minister, the government, or why couldn't the government ask the college authorities clearly as to why did this happen? It's been 2 days already. Who gave the orders? How is it important for somebody to appear before the exam?
Exactly and absolutely. This is the question that in fact is raising that, as far as the entire educational institutions are concerned, there is a set protocol by the education department that needs to be followed. But nowhere in any of the rules have been written that, wearing of Janevu or Kalava is in fact against the rule. So clearly what made this management takes such a decision at Adi Chunchandgiri College is something that needs to be asked. However, when the minister also gave a statement, he clearly said that the investigation will be taken place and whoever is found culprit will in fact be, there'll be a strict action against them. But clearly what remains to be a bigger question is that what made management to take such decision and under whose permission did they actually come up with such decision?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Pinky, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We are also joined by Vivek Reddy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. We've got first reaction, Mr. Reddy, on this incident in Shivamogga from the Karnataka Minister MC Sudhakar, who says that, this should not have happened. He says it's condemnable. He's also sought a report from the executive director. How will you like to respond to this kind of a response coming in? In a place where we saw hijab controversy also breaking out 3 years ago.
Surely, I think we cannot accept the fact that the Janav is removed and they are given entry. This is not a right practice. I know Adi Chunchandgiri management and the Swamiji who is the head pontiff, he is the most liberal man. I think this has happened without his knowledge, surely. And there must be some people down the line who have tried to enforce this. This is not acceptable. I don't think the Adi Chunchandgiri management will stand for it. But surely everyone involved must take action against the person who has tried to do this or who has tried to get this Janav removed. And this is not acceptable at all.
All right, Mr. Vivek Reddy, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.